Hello, beautiful Scorpio. This is Emmy from Making Wave Intuitive Tarot. And today we're going to do a reading for the next 2 weeks. So from November 18th to December 2nd. I'll be using Oracle cards today. So the Soul Helper Oracle, clarifying with the Moonology. And then we're going to pull some cards from the Sacred Creators. So I've decided that I would post all signs videos every second week. So this reading will really cover from now to December 2nd. So let's see what we have. I hope you had a beautiful day. It was an amazing day here in Montreal. Really, really beautiful. We can feel that winter is slowly starting to come in. It's a little bit colder than usual, and I feel that even my body has issues adapting to that. I don't know where you are in the world, from where you're watching me, but it's a little bit what's going on. That's why I have like a sweater on me because it is a little bit cold today. Already cleansed, pre-shuffled the deck, so let's see what we have for you guys, fellow water signs. I'm a Cancerian myself, so I'm a triple Cancerian in Sun, Rising, and Venus, and I think I have other Cancer in other placements in my chart. So filled with water. So we'll see what we have for you guys. So let's get into it. All right, so what are the messages for Scorpio from November 18th to December 2nd? So, oh my God, this card is following. I'm sorry, something fell on the floor. Rise above, my fellow Scorpios. Rise above the dark days of life. She's a warrior. So maybe right now you're feeling like you're not at the top. Maybe you feel like everything is a struggle. Everything is just tough. Everything is like more steps to whatever it usually requires for you to achieve something. Sorry for the noise in the background. My cat is obviously playing on on the bed with I don't know what. So yeah, so I really feel that you kind of need to go with the flow. Like the quote underneath it is, do not fight them, but have faith that the light will always return. So I really feel that no matter what is going on, just go with the flow. Just try to be in your little boat into these torments and hope that there's not a waterfall at the end, and just pray that there is no waterfall at the end. I don't know why I had that image of waterfall. I just like right now can see like being on a river and then the river suddenly stops. So whatever it means for you, like don't fear falling. Don't fear falling right now, because you don't know what's under. It might be just a little dip, right? It might be a 5 meter. It might be 150-meter dip, though. But I feel that no matter what, spirits are just telling you that you'll survive the dip. Like you're strong and capable, you'll survive the dip no matter what. I had that card for Cancerians. So are you dealing with a Cancerian? Or is there any, like, are you in a relationship with a Cancerian or in a partnership? Or is there a Cancer that desires you right now? That's kind of food for thought. Because the Cancers pulled that first card. So maybe you should go watch the reading for Cancers. Maybe there's a message for you in that video. Yeah, guys, I really feel that it's either that or you feel that you're on the path and that you cannot see the future. I really see yourself in that little boat on that river, and then the river stops at a waterfall. And it's like, I don't know what to do after. No matter where you are right now, no matter what you're going through, you don't have to stay in that boat, right? You can just try to paddle to the forest next to the river, put your boat, and then just walk around. You don't need to fall into that waterfall. And I know I'm really talking with image right now, whatever represents the waterfall for you. It's hard for me to pinpoint exactly because this is a collective reading, right? Um, but no matter what you don't see the future into right now, you don't have to reach the end of the river to the waterfall and then just fall into. You don't have to. You can just try to paddle up to the shore and take another path. So you don't need to fight. You don't need to fight your way not to fall into that waterfall. You don't have to. Find another path to survive, whatever it means to you. All right. I'm going to clarify with the Moonology cards. Let's see what other messages is coming. What do you have for the Scorpios? Spirit guides, ancestor, Archangel Gabriel. What do you have for Scorpios? What do you have? Tell me more for Scorpios. Tell me more for Scorpios for November 18th to December 2nd. Thank you. Okay. We have knowledge in the bottom of the deck. So use your knowledge to find a new path, to find a new solution to whatever you're dealing with right now, like to avoid that catastrophe. There's an exit. There's an exit to that waterfall. Because I feel that maybe you're aiming towards something that is going to be drastically positive or negative, but that's not the feeling that I have. I feel that for you, you cannot take that waterfall. I don't think it's going to be a good situation. I don't think this is where you want to lead, and you might end up, quote unquote, like injured. But you know that you have options. I really, really feel that you know that you have options. But it's like if you had like these, it's like if you had like that like veil or mask that is like letting through like just a little bit of light for you to be able to orient yourself, but like not quite enough. So if you cannot go straight, just go left or right. All right, what else do we have? We have a bunch of cards. I feel that you also need to talk. I think that like somehow straight is not where you want to go. If this is not what you want, just say it. You don't have to. You don't have to. Share your voice. Be authentic and in integrity with what your heart says. Right? Because you know the truth. You know what's good for you. You do. We have love. So is it because you don't want to like, and I'm gonna say that it might resonate with the person that that message is for. Is it because you know that you cannot move forward with that person and you need to express it? Is it because where that relationship leads is not what you want? I also feel that like maybe maybe that person will also tell you that, hey, you know what? I felt the same way. Or hey, you know what? Like where this is going, I don't like it. But would you like for us to take another path into love? That could be one of the possibility. But you're gonna have to set up your boundaries. You're gonna have to set up the boundaries on what exactly you want. And if this is not for you, this is not for you. Don't try to fit into something that at the end of the day doesn't bring you joy. And you putting your boundaries up is for you to be capable of having this person in your life. When someone is putting their boundaries, it's because they are telling you, here's the recipe for us to work. This is what I need for me to be myself. All right. Okay. I think you really need to communicate these boundaries. Like, you know that this is not going where you want to go. But I feel that really you just need to let them know. And it's funny because right now I just feel that like we just got into like a relationship or like love situation, um, with that like flame of desire and everything. Um, but yeah, like I feel that if you do that, then you're kind of like releasing these stones that like that would prevent you from moving forward with that person. So it's just a really a matter of communicating your truth and do it with love. Like if that person is someone that you wanna be with, like they will understand, but do it with love. But I feel that this is time for you to put your boundaries. Yeah, guys. Put your boundaries. So these blocks, these like I feel that it's like Like it's a speed bump. Like that release blocks, it's like the speed bump of also your relationship. Like it's just a speed bump. So you just need to really, really express whatever you need to say. All right. So let's pull out some Sacred Creator cards to finish the readings. Guys, if you like that reading, if that resonates with you, please like, subscribe, share, hit that like button. And please, I really, really, really would like to have your comments. So please comment below. I will probably also do some like message of the day throughout the weeks. But right now I'm focusing more on doing all signs, just because I feel like this is what people want more than just like the messages of the day or all this. So we're going to try that. So let me know if you like that format. All right. So little cards of optimism for my beautiful Scorpios from November 18th to December 2nd for their highest and greatest good. All right, what do we have? Thank you. Okay. What are your raw intention with that person? Beautiful souls. What are your intentions? So I think it all comes back to that. What do you want with them? What would make you happy? What is something that you would like to accomplish? Right? Okay. So we have move beyond intention to believe. So I think it's time to act. And you know what? Their answers might actually surprise you. Like, I really feel that they will be all in with you. When they feel somehow the same way. I'm sorry, I'm so OCD with these cards. It's funny. Or maybe I'm just channeling while I'm moving the cards around. I don't know. But yeah, what would you be like exactly? What do you believe, and then just act upon it? So what do you believe that you need that would possibly make this relationship work? Because I feel that right now it's more like a relationship that we're talking. Last card, guys. Just rise. That's a really positive card. So I feel that whenever you're gonna like set up your boundaries, communicate with that person, then that relationship will just rise above. And will really go like through that next phase. Wherever you guys are in your commitment. All right. That's it, beautiful Scorpios. I hope that message resonated with you. I'm sending you a lot of love and light, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.